Deribit's new Bitcoin, Ether options tied to U.S. elections get thumbs up from crypto traders. Traders said these options will help define risk and protect capital from expected volatility in the lead up to and following the binary event. Deribit to list BTC E8 options expiring 4 days after the U.S. elections on November 4. Traders said these options will help define risk and protect capital from expected volatility in the lead up to and following the binary event. Leading crypto options exchange Deribit announced new options on Tuesday that would allow traders to effectively manage their Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether each positions in the context of the outcome of the pivotal U.S. presidential elections on November 4. The introduction of the so-called election expiry options tied to market leaders Bitcoin and Ether has garnered positive feedback from traders. The U.S. election is a focal point for risk assets, including crypto, and will have a binary effect on fiscal policy and financial stability. Options are an important tool for hedging this uncertainty, so it's natural for Deribit to list this tenor. Jeff Anderson, a senior trader at STS Digital, told CoinDesk. The impending election may be most important for cryptocurrencies, as Republican candidate Donald Trump has recently embraced digital assets, standing apart from his rival incumbent Joe Biden. Though Trump has not yet set out detailed proposals for crypto regulation, his recent outreach to Bitcoin miners and his promised appearance at the upcoming Nashville conference has won him the industry's support, establishing BTC in the wider market as a bet on his presidency. As such, BTC and ETH could see increased price volatility in the lead up to and after the elections, necessitating increased investor focus on using derivatives like options to hedge their portfolios. Options offer insurance against bullish or bearish price moves in the underlying asset. A call option protects against upside volatility, while a put hedges against price slides. Deribit's election expiry options will go live on July 18 at 8 UTC and expire on November 8 or 3 days after the election results due on November 5. On Deribit, one option contract represents 1 BTC or E8. These options are a smart move from Deribit. They will allow traders to position themselves ahead, during and after the elections with a 3-day buffer after the result. It's a great way to get leverage and a hedge on your exposure simultaneously. Laurent KSSIS, crypto ETF specialist at CEC Capital, told CoinDesk. Traditional market traders use options to manage their exposure when facing binary events like U.S. elections or corporate earnings whose outcome is uncertain. If a trader believed an asset may have an explosive move in either direction as a result of a binary headline event, they could buy a straddle, which is buying the same strike price put and call, with an expiration date after the headline event. Global derivatives giant CME's explainer titled, Using Equity Options in an Election Year says, "We often see these types of trades placed before a major macroeconomic release or a company earnings report. If the underlying asset moves further from the strike price than the cost of the options, the trade would be profitable," the explainer adds.